Land of Dreams.
Take the trip with us
on Radio SI.
You're very passionate about the sport.
Yeah, for sure.
What about when Slovenia plays?
No, not too much. We don't like the way that Slovenia plays.
And if Argentina would play against Slovenia, difficult question, I guess.
We would say Argentina. I am Anna from Buenos Aires, Argentina. I came to Slovenia 5 years ago, and I realized that Slovenia likes me, so I decided to stay. Actually, my mom decided that I come to Slovenia because...
Your mom?
Yes, because I wanted to apply to an internship in US. And my mother said that not, because I don't have any relatives there. So she told me that Slovenia is a good country, you know, just to improve Slovene, and I wanted to improve Slovene language. I decided, okay, yeah, maybe yes, maybe it works. My grandparents are from Slovenia. My two grandmothers were from Ljubljana, and one of my grandparents from Škofja Loka, this is Gorenska side, and the other one was from Chernobyl. I enjoy that they are of different parts of Slovenia.
And you have somewhere to go.
Yes, for sure.
What's the biggest difference between Slovenians in Slovenia and Slovenians in Argentina?
Oh, that's really a big difference, because in Argentina, Slovenes, how can I say that? They actually are as Slovenes were 80 years ago. Just
they're more traditional?
Yes, too much traditional. I like more Slovene in Slovenia and not Slovene in Argentina. Yes. I can tell you the difference between Argentina and Slovenia. The first difference is the size of the country.
That's obvious, yeah.
Yeah, the size of the capital city, because when I first came here, I just say, that's Ljubljana, because for me it's like a town. Another difference are people. Before I say that Slovene in Argentina are not so open-minded, but if I make a difference between Argentinian and Slovene, I can say that Argentinians are more open-minded and they enjoy more the life. Here in Slovenia, Slovene doesn't realize that the life is too short and they have to enjoy it.
Life is short?
Yes, life is short, really. For me, it's a kind of depressed population. I would like that this is become more positive population.
They kind of keep everything inside, right?
Yeah, for sure. They don't talk and they are only looking that they are competitive with others, you know. I think that they have to learn how to enjoy the life and to open their minds, to open their hearts.
Si te veo amor, del otro lado yo voy a cruzar. Todo lo que tengo es todo lo que intento. Un carnaval, un río bravo, una calle en contramano, un hospital abandonado, la oscuridad. De corazón yo voy andando de tu mano. Siento, si te veo amor, del otro lado yo voy a cruzar. Todo lo que tengo es todo lo que intento. Un temporal, un circo malo, una playa sin verano en espiral. Abandonado, la claridad. De corazón yo voy andando de tu mano.
You're listening to Land of Dreams, this week with Clara Hostnik, an Argentinian living in Slovenia.
So now we're in Ljubljana.
Yes.
You wanted to meet by the river?
I like it too much. I like the river just in the center. I enjoy walking around the river or just taking some coffee. Really, I appreciate too much Ljubljana. I live in Šiška.
And how is Šiška?
Šiška for me is too quiet.
Really?
Yeah, I have grew up in a big city with a lot of noise and with a lot of people walking, and Šiška for me is too quiet. Yes, like a small village. When the night starts, everybody just is sleeping and in their apartments, not going anywhere. I live with my boyfriend. He's Maxi. He's also from Argentina, and he also has Slovenian relatives, but not only Slovene, but Italian, Spanish, and Indian.
You met him here or in Argentina?
I met him here. He's a football player for the 4th league of Slovenian.
4th league.
Yes.
Does the 4th league exist? I guess it does.
Yes, 4th and 5 also. I don't know 6, but yes.
What's the name of his team?
Tabor 69.
Are they good?
Yes, really.
It's very Argentinian though, right? Football and...
For sure, yes. And I start shouting and, and I become, for sure. And I become angry. Everyone is looking at me because they don't have that tradition here. Also in the 4th league, everyone is quiet. I am shouting, so yeah.
So what do you do right now here?
Actually, I have been a student doing my master in Bank and Finance Management in the Faculty of Economics. And I work as an intern in a finance department of a company for auditing. Every day I wake up at 6:30 and I came back to my apartment around 8 or 9 o'clock.
In the evening?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. Every day I work too much and I also study and I have to attend my lectures and exercise.
It's a very busy schedule, huh?
Yes. But I like it. For me it's normal,
Okay. And what about your boyfriend? Is he at home or is he...
He's also busy.
You're all busy.
Yes, for sure. We meet just for the breakfast and we meet in the evening just for dinner. I finished my undergraduate study here in Slovene language. It was really a challenge for me. I'm just proud of myself because I could finish everything. My life here is healthy because I can ride my bike and just go into my job. I couldn't do that in Argentina because of the distance, because of the security. I also applied for 2 marathons this year.
You ran in the Ljubljana marathon?
Yes, but only 10 kilometers. And now I'm training to run the next year 21. Also, we enjoy when it's summer to go to Veselicas. We enjoy just.
And where do you find the Veselicas?
We have a lot of friends here. They call us and they say, come to Pirnice. This is in Gorenska side. The first time it was an impression to be there and say what they are doing, just dancing. But then we just start liking that and we enjoy it.
Veselicas.
Veselica.
It is a Slovenian thing, right?
Yeah, for sure. I like that tradition. Yeah.
Music, food and drinking and...
For sure, yeah. A beer, some food, yeah. It's cool.
You're getting used to this kind of lifestyle now, right? This peace and no rush.
Yeah, we like that lifestyle. Also, I think that if I move back to Argentina, I will not live in Buenos Aires. I will like to live in a village like Ljubljana, but...
In the next couple of years, do you still see yourself here or...?
I don't know. We have a family in Argentina. And now I am young, Maxi too, but we don't know what we will do in 5 years. Maybe yes.
Okay.
We don't know.
But yeah, it could happen, right? You never know.
For sure. We have to trust what is going to be and that's all.
And if it does happen, it would just be the way it has to be.
For sure, yeah. That has to be and would happen what has to be happen. I don't know.
Okay, Anna, it was nice to meet you. Your plan now is what? You're going to meet some friends?
Yeah, I am going to meet my friends. We have to enjoy a meeting with friends. Coffee, tea, or maybe a beer.
Well, have a nice day.
Thank you, Korab.
es todo lo que intento.
Land of Dreams.
Take the trip with us every Wednesday at 11:20 a.m. and every Sunday at 2:30 p.m. Only
on Radio SI.